Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. So, let's start with the benefits of using Git. We have history tracking. Actually, using Git allows you to track every change made in your project, including who made the change and when it was made. We have already covered when you add configuration like username and email address, then we can track the changes who has done. Collaboration, multiple developers can be able to work on the same project at the same time, and Git efficiently manages the merging of changes in code. You can create more branch, and you can also work within a same branch but on different files. Then you have to commit your own changes and then you can merge. Like branching and merging, Git enables developer to create branches to work on a new features or bug fix and later merge them back into the main code base. It's mean instead of working on same file or on different file but with same repository, you can create another branch once you fix test everything, so that after your fixing there would not be any changes on the same line in same file by another team member, developer or engineer. So to avoid this, you can just create another branch and then you can merge back. Offline work, Git works offline, which means you can commit changes and work on your project even without an internet connection. It's mean you can just uh, keep your working and just add your files to in cache, and also after committing you can stage your files. Later on when internet is back, you can push your changes on the GitHub. Okay guys, we have worked in last sessions, 3 to 4 session with different commands like installation. Okay, installation command like for Windows, you can just go and install the installer. On homebrew on Mac OS, just you can write brew install git. And for Mac ports on Mac OS, you can do sudo port self update. It will install your git. And on Linux you can just write sudo apt get install git. Okay, and in the last you can just write down git version. And sorry, it will show you the version. Right now I am on Windows. Rest of the commands you can also execute on your own. Also we also covered configuration like setting email name, and you can also change color. For setting email you can just write down git config list. It will show all the configuration you already have. Right now you have like email and name, and you can also use a command like git config global. You can also write here global, local or system level, and we will cover in detail in another session. You can just write user dot mail or user dot name, and you can just provide in double quotes the value of your whatever parameter you are going to configure. And after that, in initializing repository, we have also covered like initialize a new git repository in the current directory. Like we were in the let me change into Shahid soft dir. We must have here software cd software and demo. Okay, and here we must have, okay, we don't have, okay, great, we have max the service, cd max the service, and here we have demo. Under max the service we have demo, and we just to initialize demo I will just move into cd demo, and then I can just write get init to initialize this directory. Here you can see we already have initialized this one, and it is in again reinitialized. If you want to initialize directory with the same time you want to create another directory, or you also have directory, you can just write get init directory name. Okay, you can write here directory name, like right now if I want to initialize another directory demo2, then I have to write initialize demo2. Okay, and now after this we also covered like get clone, get clone, and we just added https github.com. Here will be your username, and then your demo.git. So you can clone this, and if you want to clone with SSH, you can just write github. You can just write like give me a second. uh, yeah, it is git, and I think at the rate, and yeah, github.com. So it will clone using SSH. uh, how to generate SSH and add into your GitHub server, we have already covered all of this. And then we also learn how to uh, clone the branch directly. Let's suppose there is a demo, the main branch, and you don't want to clone this one. You can just write cloning directory, let me write the command clone branch, and then branch name whatever is, let's say demo2. Okay, and then you will write https and github.com, your name, and repo name, repo name dot get. Please remember this repo name must be available, like demo2 must be available on GitHub remote server, otherwise it will create error. Okay, so now we are going to start with basic commands, let me show you here. dir, here you have number of files. Here you can see just I created demo2 directory and it is available here. Let me remove demo2. Okay, is a directory. Directory not empty, so that's why we cannot remove. Okay, leave it, we will remove later on. Just start with basic commands and let me clear it. Okay guys, if you start with basic commands and I want to add a file, okay, within my current directory, like most of the time when you create new project and add readme file, you can add uh, mm, a modified file, like, let me do it, VS Code. Here if I check status, here you can see these are the files we have created, but we don't know, we don't need to upload, we don't need to push these files, we don't need to add these files in our Git. So we can create new one, like here, let me open the demo project. Okay, uh, code dot, okay, let's suppose if I do some changes. Okay, I go into the properties file and I just change port 8080. It was 81 and now I have changed this one, and now it will show me get status. Here you can see application.properties. This is modified. If I want to add this change, I will write git add and file name, source main, and resources application. Okay, yeah, application.properties. Okay, if I will add this file, it will just git add into cache. Okay, and if I want to, let me show you first, get status. Here you can see it is now green, so it is added into cache. If we want to add all, then we will just write git add dot, below demo.pub. All these files will also be added into cache, but we don't need to add this. And next command is uh, status ignored. Okay, actually displays ignored files in the addition to the regular status output. But then if I write git status ignored, okay, ignored, did you mean, yeah, ignored. Here you can see these are the files which are added into ignore dot gut sorry dot get ignore file. Let me show you. Here you can see, here must be get dot get ignore. Yeah, here you can see these are the, there must be, here is VS Code, there must be help.md and target. Here is target and here is help.md. So these, if if you want to also view the status of ignored file, this is the command get status dash dash ignored. Okay, if you want to see the difference, uh, then get def, sorry, def shows the changes between working directory and the staging area. Port, and now I will add this change, git add, let me go back and add yes, git status, and now if I change to this file again, I believe now it will show me the difference. Git def, yeah, Okay. If you have made changes and these changes are in uh, cache or staging, then you can see okay what I have changed before committing and pushing that file. You can just see okay I have changed. Or if you are team leader manager, development manager, then you can also view your changes. And let's suppose if you asked your team member okay do the fix the issue or implement the feature, then do your testing and just add. I will review and then I will review the changes and then I will commit and push. Okay, so next command is uh, display the difference between two commits. Okay, let's suppose if you want to see the difference between two commits, because right now we have number of commits. Okay, and if I want to see that difference, let's suppose there are few days ago someone have committed and you want to track the changes 2 days ago and now there is 2 days and you want to see the difference. Okay, in these 2 days what have been done, you will just add get diff and day before commit and today's commit. It's I mean commit 1 and commit 2, so it will show the difference. Okay, and then if you want to display the changes between the staging area and the last commit, okay, what you will just add the command. Okay, here is, you can also see the difference. If you want to show the difference direct what is in staged, let's suppose there are also number of files. If I change here as well, you don't want to see difference in only one file, you want to see only all the changes. Sorry, I have also, first I have to check what I made changes. Git status, here is another file application, so I will again add it and now I will write git diff staged cache. Okay, you can see there are two changes. It's mean you can see all the changes even in multiple files in whole project in different directory whatever, but just you need to make sure that where is your get initialized, because I have initialized get under demo, so I will be able to track the changes in this demo directly only. Okay guys, if you want to display the difference between the current directory and the last commit, what you will do, just you will write git diff head. It will show you the all the changes since last commit. Okay, okay, if you want to add your changes, actually the command I am going to execute, it is a git commit. What this command do actually creates a new commit with the changes in the staging area and opens the default text editor while adding a commit message. Like if I enter it, here you can see it will showing you okay in which file you have changes, this file has modified. To do this just you have to add git commit, nothing else. If you want to create a new commit, with the changes in the staging area and specify the commit message in line. Okay, what we will do? Okay, because just we display the changes, okay, in default editor so that we can view with git commit. If I want to commit changes, just let me revert the change, that one. And if I want to commit this change in the staging area and specify the commit message also, then what I will do, just I will git commit, and I will provide message, change the port from 81 to 80, and then I have to mention the file name, like here, where it was source. Let me see where is the path. Source main main resource application properties. Okay, and now just I need to push, if I want to push this file on remote. Okay, next is commit all modified and deleted files in the repository without explicitly using git add to stage the changes. If you want to commit all the modification, even you have modified some files, if you have deleted some files in the repository, and you don't want to first add your changes, then you can directly commit, write git commit a mean all, it will just commit everything. Okay guys, next command is git notes add. So first we have to understand the difference between notes and message. Actually, when you commit with a message dash m, it's mean you are providing some kind of detail what you have implemented technically. For those who are next to start working and for review your comments, sorry, implementation or fixes, so you will be adding some detail, but adding a note, it's mean you are specifying some generic word. So any layman person can go through with that note and get the understanding in general term. So what is the method? Adding note is just you can see here you can see you already provided my notes. So to add some note, first you have to do some commits. Let's say I'm going to commit with some technical detail, and also I want to add note for non-technical person. What I will do, I will simply, okay, I will simply change this the text, so max the service. And guys, here you also can do with git, like if you git status, here you can see I have changes the, so I am just segregating, doing all the things separately, so that it will be easy for you. We will be doing this VS code with all settings. Here you can see, you can also go and see the changes. Everything I will show in but in different video. Okay, so we want to keep things separate and concise. Okay, now let me clear it. If I go to git status, here you can see we have changed this file, and now I will first commit git commit message. I have changed the string in main file as per requirement from business, whatever is okay. And now I will commit. Okay, now let me see the changes is committed or not. Git status. Okay, what did I mistake? Git commit. Okay, sorry, I did not provide file name. So let me copy file name and provide here. Okay, if I see the status. Okay, because it's not in cache, I committed, I did not add. If I use git add and then file name, it will be showing you, it will be showing to me in cache. Not, right now it is not in cache and it is directly committed, so I have to push now. Git, even though, let me check if I can add git notes add with message am my third node. Okay, now if I push or if I see my nodes, git log show nodes, here you will be able to see my third node. Okay, now you can reset your changes or you can uh, push into your GitHub. If you want to push that, you will just add git push command, because we have already set origin and we don't need to do every time. Okay guys, next command is git restore file. Git restore and file. Here it will be the name of file. So what it will do, it will revert your file to the last commit. Whatever changes you have done, either it is in cache or it is in staging, wherever is, all the changes it will be revert. Let me show how. Let's suppose I did some changes like this, and you can see the changes is available here. And let's suppose you want to uh, commit this change. Once you will do commit, you will not be able to revert it, because it will always revert it to last commit. So just you need to what you need to just provide restore and file name. Okay, and here you will see word. Okay, so next command is reset. So there are different type of reset. Okay, okay guys, next command is reset. There are three kind of reset. Okay, one is reset where you will provide commit and it will be resetting to that specified commit. It will move the branch pointer to a specified commit. Whatever commit we will provide, it will move branch to that. But providing just git reset and commit number, it's mean it will also resetting your staging area and working directory. Okay, whatever you have staged, let's suppose you have committed and just you will need to push something, it will reset. Let me check. And second is reset soft. Soft mean it will not reset your staging area. After even reset to specific commit, you can again start push. You can push your changes. Okay. And third is reset hard. It will move the pointer to the specified commit, discarding all the changes in the staging area and working directly. Whatever you have done in your working directory and whatever you have done on the staging, it will discard. This is resume. ओके ये तो चेक थी ये Okay, first we check uh, git reset. When we go with the git reset, it moves the branch pointer to specified commit, whatever commit I will provide. Like let's say I add git reset commit number. I mean this one. It will move the my current branch to specified point. Let's suppose first I do some commit. First I will check git status. Okay, there is no change. Let me check with first git commit. Sorry, reset commit. Reset commit check. Okay. Now I will check git log one line. Here you can see that we are on this commit number. Okay, and if I check git status, I have changed with the reset commit. So I have to commit first. Commit this file, reset commit. Okay, now I have to check git log one line. Now you can see it is on reset commit, this one. If I will revert to previous commit, then it will discard this change from staging as well. I can see this change on my local, but it will not be available on staging. Let me show you. If I go to reset, get reset, and provide this commit 37B, okay, unstage change after reset. Okay, now if I see the log one line. Now here you can see it is on 37B. It is discarded from staging as well, and now I cannot see. If I go to get status, now guys here you can see it is red. It's mean you have this change on just your local file. Here you just have here. This is not in staging to commit. Okay, then we check soft commit. Sorry, soft reset. Reset uh, soft. Okay, I will commit this change and reset soft. Guys, I am using arrow to move already executed command, so I believe you will not mind it, and because it's a very simple and just saving to write again and again time for you. So now we are going to commit with soft commit. Don't confuse with this name. This is just message I am providing. Okay, just providing message so that we can remember, okay, which kind of reset we are going to check. Okay, so now it is committed, and now I will check commit. Now again it is not on 37B, it is a new commit. Now if I will reset to this 37B with soft commit, it will never reset changes from cache staging. How? Let me check. Now here I am going to reset 37B. If I check git status, sorry, actually I executed reset, not soft reset. So I have to do commit again, and I have to check again commit. Okay, it is now with reset, and now I will provide with soft commit git reset soft, and now commit number BBCC and 37B. Now if I will go and see what is in staging, after simple reset it was red file. It's mean the changes were on our local directory, not in staging. Now this demo application should be in green. Green mean it is in staging. Changes are added in staging. So if I go with status, great. Woo! Here you can see demo application is green. So this is the difference between soft commit and soft reset and simple reset. Now if you want to discard everything from your local and from your staging, from your everything, now what will happen? What you need to execute the command? It's a hard reset. It's mean if I'm here reset soft commit, it will be discard, because hard reset will discard everything from staging and from local, and also it will effectively reset in the repository to the specified commit. So let me do this. Okay, so if I ask it to just hard with hard commit, it will also discard this change. And first let me show you the git log one line. Guys, if you want to go into this commit, like first commit, my first commit, what was in your with your first commit? There was I think max the service or hello world. There should be world or max the service. I don't remember, but this automatically will be reset. Now I'm going to use git reset hard, and what commit number I'm using? Copy, even though first one. And when this command will execute, it will also discard cache. From cache there will not be anymore this green or red file, and it will discard it to everything, and there would be word. Okay, if I execute get status, here you can see there is no any red or green file, because everything is reverted from local and also from staging. From staging because it is not green. From local because it is not red. So let's see in the code. Yeah, here you can see. So this is the main difference between soft, simple reset, soft reset and hard reset. When you will use and will actually use cases of these are, as I explained, that if you are working by mistake, you worked in different directory and different repository, or you have done something you don't want to go with anymore, then just you can set hard. If you are going to just uh, add some other work, then you can just go with soft. And also you can just to check and go another commit. Let's suppose you want to start working from this commit, then you can just move this directory and start working. After that you can merge with any other commit, last one or any other. So this is the actually use case we need. Okay, so next is remove file, git remove file. Let's suppose you want to let's suppose let me create a file here. Okay, new file, test.txt. Okay, test. This is the file. Now I will check git status. Here you can see under source we have test.txt. Okay, if you want to remove this file, you have by mistaken added, or you already you have file which is not being used, and you are a lead or manager and see that in code review or with any practice you don't need this file anymore, just you will use git remove and source test, sorry, test.txt. uh, path specs. Okay, why git source test.txt. Git rm. Okay, great. Why it is saying like this? Because we have just created this file, but remember this is not under tracking, because Git don't know what is this. You have added, but I don't know because you have not added. So first I have to use git add source. Yeah. Okay. If now you can check status, it is available. Now you can delete this file, remove this one. Forward and change stage in the index, cache to key file. Okay, it is saying that you also you can remove from cache as well. Cached. Okay, so there must not be available this file anymore. Yeah, you can see. Why it is saying like this? Mm, okay, we have to check why this is not working. Either there is no any issue with the path, it is deleted from the cache, but manually it is not deleted. Okay. Okay, next is move, mv, get move. Let me clear this. When and why we need to do this? We use this command when we have to change the name of the file. Like we have test.txt. Okay, get status. Here is on local. So I have to, if I use get move source test.txt, it will say okay, it is not under usage. Git move source. Okay, it is saying that this is source and you have to provide destination name test2.txt, not under version control, because it is, we know this, it is on local, it is not in staging, so that's why git don't know about this file. First I have to use add command. Okay, add. Now I can change it to 2. Let me check. Yeah, here you can see it is test2. Now git rm source test dot to dot text. Following file has changed stage in the index. This use cache to keep the file or f to force removal. Okay, simple. We need to use -f. It will be removed. Here you can see there is no file under the source. Okay, guys, today we have covered uh, simple basic commands, and in next tutorial we will be starting with some updated commands. Okay, so let's be connected and stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you will be don't miss any upcoming video, because it's a part of DevOps series, but we will separately covering Git and GitHub, and then we will merge this Git and GitHub series as a part of DevOps. So you will be having playlists separate Git and GitHub, also as well as DevOps series. Okay, thanks for watching, and let's connect again in with advanced command. Bye.